All right, guys, today we're going to talk about page 10. On page 10, we are looking at multiples. On page 9, we talked about factors, numbers that go in. On page 10, we're talking about multiples. They skip, count, out. So list the first three multiples for each number. So multiples skip, count, out. So 15 plus 15 is 30, plus another 15 is 45, plus another 15 is 60. Next is 21. So 21 is the first skip count. So now I'm going to go, what's 21 more? 42 plus 21 more, 63 plus 21 more, 84. So that's 21 each time. 21, 42, 63, 84. You're going to do the same thing for 25, 35, and 42. Skip, count, out. What are two multiples that 5 and 6 have in common? 30 and 6. So here, they skip counted out by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And you might only want to do 5 or 6 of them while you check. And then I'm going to skip count out by 6s, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Oh, and look, those matched. There's one, 30. And so I'd keep going to look for another multiple that they have in common, and they did tell me another one was 60. You're going to do the same thing for 4 and 8. What multiples do those have in common? So you're going to list out your multiples of 4 and list out your multiples of 8 to see what they have in common. Remember, multiples skip, count, out. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Oh, look, we already found one that's in common in both. You're going to keep skip counting out until you find another one. You're looking for two multiples. And then the same thing for 5 and 7. 8, challenge. Han is redesigning his bedroom, which is the shape of a rectangle. Han knows that the area of the room is 180 square feet. What are all the possible whole number dimension of Han's room? So you are looking at the inside, we can fit 180 squares. So it's asking what times what could be 180. And it's asking for as many combinations as you can get. What are all the possible whole number dimensions? And then B, which dimension is most likely the dimension for Han's bedroom and why? So let's start with the first one. When we list factors that you might know, 1 times 180. If I had 1 foot by 180, that would be one very long bedroom like this. I would say it would be even longer and skinnier than that. That most likely is not the dimension for Han's room because this is unrealistic to have 1 square foot by 180, right? That would not be the shape of room. So you're gonna write down what do you think his dimensions most likely are?